For now, it's just a pop-up cafe. So it's just, so Big Mac. And my God, so yummy. And this one, my first Pop Mart toy. Do you know that leopard is one of the fashion trends this 2025? My God, this is so nice. So, Craft Chord, diba? It's Ramiro. Because I'm also a Ramiro queen. O, yan siya. So, dito yung unwrapping. O, diba? Pero use shoes direct from Chicago. This is so nice. And I really let it dry then. Ang ganda ng box. You know what? Dior Beauty talaga. When it comes to packaging, Dior talaga siya. Ang dami. So, yon from my husbandry. Oh my God! This is... Oh my God! Oh my God! I love it! Hello, my lovelies, my Jessipips. Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year to all of you, my lovelies, my Jessipips. Yes, and for today's feature, I just want to share with you what I got for Christmas. But before we go there, I went to this pop-up cafe with my gorgeous friend Jenny King and my lovely inaanak, her daughter Jardine, to try their coffee and their waffle. For now, it's just a pop-up cafe. So it's just, so they want to test the market. But I can say that their coffee and this waffle and they call it croissant waffle are so good. So it's just at the back of Tipsy Pig in BGC. So it's a must try cafe. For now, it's just a pop-up store, but eventually they will have their own cafe, a stand-alone cafe. So yeah, and I can say that their coffee is good because I think when I asked the barista what sugar putting in my coffee, because I ordered this hazelnut latte, the barista told me that there's no sugar on it. Oh my goodness. So kaya ang yummy, it's just the hazelnut. So diba? So it's really a must-try cafe. So it's the Brew and Bites Cafe in BGC, just at the back of Tipsy Pig. Okay, so better try it. Yeah, and I guarantee you that you will love it as we do. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. So first things first, I received a very yummy lasagna. It's a home-cooked lasagna. It's from my gorgeous CC Jermaine. Oh my goodness. Actually, my husband and Joaquin loves it so much. Yeah, they're not really into lasagna, but this lasagna, I think it's from Parañaque. So, oh my God, it's so yummy. I cannot share it with you. I cannot share it with you right now because it already consumed. Yeah, and another thing, I received this from our neighbor sa Espino family. Oh my God, this is so nice. So, actually, it complemented the lasagna. Yeah, this one. So, you can check this out. Yeah, so food. Yes, yan. And another food, my lovely Jessipips, from my lovely sister Chi. So, she gave us the yummy baked macaroni. So, it's a home-cooked baked mac. And, oh my God, so yummy. So, if you want to order, this is her number. So, I cannot show you also the baked mac. So, already consume it during Christmas Eve. Yeah, so yun. And I will order, actually, I ordered this coming Friday. Yeah. because I'm craving. Yeah, I'm craving for it. Okay, next, another food, but this time chocolates. Yeah, so chocolates. Actually, this was full of chocolates. Yeah, but it serves now as a display, Christmas decor. Yeah, yeah, nice. This one from Paris. Yan. Ang nice, diba? Nice. I love those kind of dual purpose. Yeah. And this one, my first Pop Mart toy. Yeah. What you call this? This is, you saw this already. So, I'll show you. So, reversible plush toy siya. So, this is the other side niya. So, yan siya. Ang cute, diba? I'm not really into bag charm na lalabubu, mga Powerpuff Girls, mga crying babies, mga ganun. The only thing I love is my melody. Because my most favorite Sanrio is my melody. Next is Karakurupi. Yeah, hindi si Hello. I love Hello Kitty, but not as much as my melody. Yeah. And I own my melody during my kinder days. Yeah. So, naka-Sanrio tayo may melody, Little Twin Stars, and I didn't own any Hello Kitty. So, this one, so it is permanently a bag charm of my gorgeous bag. This is from Tory Burch, a runway piece. So, soon, I'll be featuring my bag collection. Yeah. Stay tuned for that. My love is my Josephines. So, this one, this bag charm, my first Pop Mart toy, and this Christmas decor full of yummy chocolates, direct from Paris. These are from my lovely C.A. Algen of Louis Vuitton. Yes, so she went to Paris for Paris Fashion Week. Yes, to assist some clients. In my dreams, hopefully I can also attend Louis Vuitton Fashion Week. But it's so expensive, yeah. In my dreams na lang. O, assistant mo na lang ako, Algen. Yeah. Yan. So, yun. Thank you so much, my dear Algen, for this. Love it. And here, I received this. This from my gorgeous friend, Hazel, the marketing head of White Flower. Yeah. So, this is so nice. I unboxed this on Christmas Eve. Yeah. It's my tradition talaga. This is so nice. My God. Yeah. And do you know that leopard is one of the fashion trends this 2025? I love this. My goodness. This is so nice. Thank you so much, my dear Hazel. Next, this one. Yeah, from my gorgeous Cici again, Rizel. So remember, Hazel and Rizel, they are my corporate besties and my travel besties. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so nice, diba? Oh, diba? Personalized Jazzy Jack. Yeah. I don't know kung saan to, but if I will get the store, I'll give the link down below the description box. This is so nice, my goodness. And next, oh my God, this is one of the best gifts I also received. This is from my gorgeous Cici again, Eureka Craftured. So she made this, actually. I think, I don't know lang if you can, if you want this, you can, I'll give her link down below the description box. Even here, her IG. Yeah. Oh my God. This is so nice. Oh my God. Can you see this? This is my photo from my photo from the BYS, yung BYS fashion show. Oh my God, this is so nice. Imagine may feathers. Tapos, ang ganda, kasi yung fringes ng Stella McCartney kong bag, may gold siya. Yeah. This is so nice. And, yeah, here. Yeah. Ang ganda. This is so nice. Thank you so much again, Eureka, for this. Yeah. So, craft short, diba? Very nice. Next, from another gorgeous CC, Miss Norma, direct from China. So, this is here. She gave this to me during the Kate Spade event. Oh my God. Parang siyang Hermes. Diba? Ang dami kong scarf ngayon. O, diba? This is so nice. Thank you so much, my CC. And she also gave me this during the birthday celebration of my CC Chai at LV. Nice. This is Happy Bath Natural Body Wash. Diba nice? Super. Next, ano pa ba? Marami pa. Here, from my gorgeous CC, Ron Ramiro and Yen. Customized Ramiro. Because I'm also a Ramiro Queen. O, yan ha, Ron ha, Ramiro Queen. So, I love kasi mga eco bags. So, thank you so much, CCs, Ron and Yen, for this. So, yan. Tapos na tayo dyan. And they also gave me this Lucid Mist Hydrating Shower Cream. Super love this. Thank you so much again, CCs. Next, this is from my brother Jim and my sis-in-law, Shet. Oh my God. This is, oh my God. When I received this, oh my God. I really love it because, you know, I love carrying rosary in my purse. Yeah, parang ano siya kasi what you call this? My guide or parang comfort, comfort body. Yeah, this is so nice. And when we attended Mass on Christmas Day, so Father, I forgot the name of the Father at Shangri-La Chapel, ina-bless ko siya. He blessed this. This is so nice. And the good thing about this, there is a case. Oh, diba nice? Oh my. Diba nice? My God. Thank you so much talaga, Jim She. I really love this. And I always carry this. Kasi yung I have a rosary that I always carry. Kaya lang, it's already with Mami Chi. But this one, ang ganda. I love this. And the other one, this one, from Uniqlo, is a pants. But I need to, it's from my brother Jeff and sister-in-law May. But I have to exchange it because the pants is too large on me, so I need to change it. So I got this satin skirt. Oh my God, this is so nice. So thank you so much also, Jeff and me. Sayang, I love the pants, but apparently they have no medium na. So I went to Glorieta, Uniqlo, and SM Makati. They don't have size na. Tapos brown pa naman. So, as you know, mocha, cream, brown are the Phantom colors of 2025. But don't worry, I got a satin skirt, which I will be able to use it during events. Yes. Yeah. So next, what's the next? This one. Yes, on the 23rd of December, I received a message from SSI that the Kate Spade has a gift to me. So I confirmed it. So I went to Kate Spade Greenbelt because before kasi Kate Spade Rockwell was my store, but when Lay resigned, so I transferred na to Kate Spade Greenbelt. And super talaga ang customer service ng Kate Spade Greenbelt. Same with the other stores, but I really love Miss Donna, my CA there, si Ayana, and all the girls there. Yes. So they will, as I mentioned here, there's a gift, and then my leather bag, which I will let them clean this month. Then they may discount on 1,000 if I will purchase additional, parang a discount of 1,000. Ano, diba? So, yeah. So, hindi ko pa ito na-open, pero you already seen this on one of my reels. Yeah. Yan siya. So, dito yung unwrapping. O, diba? Pero you saw this already. This is the actual unwrapping talaga. So, I chose this because, as mentioned, meron siya ditong New York taxi. And, hindi ba nice? So, quick, curious, ano pa ba? Curious, playful, and strong. So, that's me. Yeah, hula lang gorgeous dito. But this is so nice. Yes. Thank you so much, SSI and Kate Spade, for this gift. I love it. I love it. Yeah. Ano pa ba? Oh my God. Shoes! Direct from Chicago. From my gorgeous Cici Cara. Oh my God. This is from Nordstrom. So here, this is so nice. So, alam na yata ni Cara, the fandom color for this year. So, this is so nice. Tsaka ganda kasi, diba? Shimmering splendid. Yeah. So, the brand is Madden NYC. And this is so comfy. And this ballet shoes lang, Cara. Sorry, medyo big siya. But it's so nice. I don't know if you can exchange this. Exchange this to 41. I forgot I'm 40. But this one, okay lang. Even though it's 41, carry bells. But this one, it's so big talaga. Ang comfy pa naman ito. This is so nice. Yeah. And I love ballet. And this is so beautiful. My God. I love this. Actually, I'm looking for leather boots. Yeah. And pag boots talaga, I'm size 41. So, correct ka dito, Carla. Oh my God. This is so nice. This is leather. Yeah. So I'm really looking for leather boots in this color. Yeah. This is so nice talaga and so comfy. Yeah, swak na swak. And I can use this when I travel to Japan, US, Canada, Korea. Yes. And maybe in Europe. My God. So, thank you so much again, my Cici Cara, for these 3 shoes. So, I need to give you 30 bucks. 30 pesos. Diba? Thank you so much again. I love the shoes. And I'm a shoe person. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. You know my weakness also, Cara. Thank you. Next, we receive this very cutie greeting card, personalized greeting card, which I always wanted to have. And good thing Miguel and Nicole gave this to us, and I was able to use it. Yeah, this is so nice, and I really love this kind of stationery. Thank you so much again, Miguel and Nicole, for your gift. Next, from my beauty ambassador, Liren of SM Aura, Dior Beauty SM Aura. So this one, I already seen this also sa one of the reels, but yeah, this is the pouch. Ang ganda, diba? Usually for this, I use this parang a protective case inside my bag. So this is so beautiful. Yeah, so this is the print of the Dior Holiday. Yes. And this one, nakita nyo na rin yung perfume samples ng, cause my favorite fragrance in Dior Beauty is Miss Dior. So I love the line. The Miss Dior Eau de Parfum, the Rose and Roses, and the Parfum, the new one. So the new one is created by Francis Kurkdjian. Yeah, yung nag-create ng Baccarat. But yes, I like that scent, but lots of people are already wearing it. So I don't like na. So yeah, Miss Dior. And some of the samples, so you already saw this na. Yan, you saw this na. So I will not show this to you na. The Capture Total, the Dior, and so this one I love. I'm not really into foundation, but I love their Forever Glow. Yes, this one. Very light lang siya. So as during events, I sometimes wear foundation, but most of the events, no. More on BB cream pa ako. Yeah, and this one, this is a jewelry case. So you saw this na din. Yan. CD. Yan. Yan. So yeah, I can put my jewelry here pag magta-travel, diba? So nice. Yan. So yung gift sa akin ng aking beauty ambassador. So if you don't have a beauty ambassador sa Dior Beauty, you can look for Liren sa SM Aura and sa Greenbelt si Juvie. Yeah. So yun siya. And kung mapapadaan kayo sa SM Makati, kay Rachel. Yes. So yun. And next, for my hobby. Yes. You already seen this also sa reels ko. But yun. So I forgot lang to show this. This is the Dior lipstick, the Dior sequin lipstick. This is what I'm wearing here. This is 100. My most favorite sequin lipstick. Because I'm really into nude. Kasi ang ganda ko sa nude, sa picture and sa video. I don't know. Kaya nga, my favorite lipstick from Hermes is the number 11. Kasi nude siya. Yeah. And then, in-engrave siya ni, yan, during the event, ni Louis. In-engrave siya ni Louis. So, hindi ko napasama to dun sa ano, pero this is one of my husband gifts. So, this is nice. Ayan siya. Here. May sequin siya. So, upon applying it, let it dry. Then, tapos, makikita mo na yung glitters. During holiday lang to, kaya talagang, it sells like hotcakes talaga. So, right now, no more na. Yeah. So, another one, the iconic red lipstick, the number 999 of Dior. So, this one. So, this is red. I'm not into red, but if it's Dior, it's Dior. So, yan. I'm only wearing red lipstick if it's Dior Beauty. Then, may glitters din siya. Can you see the glitters? I-ano natin. Ayan. Para makita nyo. Ayan yung glitters. Nice, diba? So, yan. This is limited. Every ano lang siya. Every, ano yun na natin? Holiday season. Ano. O, diba, ang glitters on. Super nice siya. I have also the bullet. Pero, during holiday, this one. And, this is the bullet ng yung 999. So, this is the red. Without the glitters. Yan. This is so nice also. So, this one, this is the red lipstick I always wear. Pag I need to wear red lipstick. Yan. This is the iconic 999 lipstick of Dior Beauty. Yeah. Yung gift ni husbandry. So, nasa ba siya? So, yun. So, reels ko lang, I was not able to show you that it came with this box. As you can see, it came with this box. Ang ganda ng box. You know what? Dior Beauty talaga. When it comes to packaging, Dior talaga siya. The Dior talaga. It pronounced pala Dior or Dior. Yeah. So, ganyan siya. Ang ganda ng packaging. Kaya I love Dior Beauty. I love their products and I love. And then, another box. So, this one. Yeah, so remember during my reels I pulled this out from this box. Ang nice. Super nice talaga siya. So yan. This is the 3D Montaigne, right? And then this is the advent calendar of the Miss Dior. Yan. Yan. See? Kita nyo? Baka mahulog. Yan. Nice. So, this is the spray and this is the roll-on. I think this is oil. Yeah. Nice. And display na rin siya. So, it's an anniversary gift and anniversary gift, Christmas gift in one. Then, I already showed this to you. The pouch. Actually, I'm after with the pouch. Ang ganda. Diba? As you can see here. So, this is limited only. Oh my God. I love Dior Beauty talaga. So, meron siya ditong lip oil. Here. Comes with the lip oil. Then, the iconic pink blush. Here. And the mascara. I'm not really into mascara. Kasi nag-smudge sa akin. But I've never tried this mascara. So, that's why I chose this package. This one. There are lots of package if you want to get the pouch. But I chose this. Yeah. Nice, diba? Super nice. Yeah. So, yun siya. And another one, this one, eye palette. So, yun siya. It comes with this box also. I really love. And this is still, this one, oh. And that one. So, I will not show the mirror, but it comes with a mirror. And this is the shade. Yeah. And then, I can pull this out. And I can make this as a card holder. Oh, diba nice? Super. Kaya I got this. Diba? Ang dami. So, yon from my husbandry. Yeah. So, yan. Ang init. Next, another one from my CC Nisa. One of my corporate and travel besties also. Remember? So, Ma'am Nisa, Miss Hazel, and Miss Rizal. So, kami yung mga travelers. Yeah. So, she knows that I love Fino. And Fino is our luxury brand here in the Philippines. So, ta-da! I really need this. Yeah, this one. Oh, diba? So, you can put this as a bag charm and you can put your cord or anything you want. Or even my rosary, I can put it here. Yeah. Nice. And this one, because she and her family went to Osaka, and she gave me this to me direct from Osaka, Japan. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so nice. Oh my god. I love this. Oh my god. I love this, Ma'am Nisa. Oh my god. So, ngayon ko lang talaga siya. Oh my god. Cutie talaga. Oh my god. Pero yung mga ganito yung gusto ko. I really love this kind of stuff. Imagine mo, may scissors and 2 nail clippers. Oh my god. I love this. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god. I love. And this one. Oh my god. Just see si Jen. So, she knows also I'm a sucker of SPF sunscreen. So, she gave me this. So, susunod na, malaki na. The whole size na. Yeah. But, she wants me to try this first. But all naman kasi the sunscreens are good on me. Kasi sunscreen siya. Right now kasi I'm using the one I bought from Japan. Yeah, this is nice. UV. This is UV Essence. Yeah. Kaya, you know, I love sunscreen, perfume, lipstick. Yan. And perfume. And one of my favorite contemporary brands is Tory Burch. Yeah. And these scents are the classic ones. So, I really love this. Yeah. Super nice. I tried this na. Love it. And it stays on me. Yeah. And, the pahabol gift, a dress, at may pahabol pa daw na dress na isa. O, diba? Para siyang drawer. Oh my God, I love this! Kasi it's a long dress. Oh my God, I love this. And, I can remove this daw. Pero parang ayoko na i-remove. Parang I want this, like this na lang. Comes with this neckline. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. And I love blue. This is so nice. Thank you so much. Yeah, the pahabol gift. At may isa pang pahabol gift. Ang daming gift. Diba? Oh my God! Oh my God, I love this. Oh my God. I love this kind of bag, and you will see later my Christmas gift from me. But this one, oh my God. Tingnan ko nga kung kasya ang phone dito. So here, it's a radio. Oh my God! Kasi ba yung phone ko? Let's check kung kasya ang phone. Sana kasya ang phone. Ay, kasya ang phone. So, my phone 12 Pro Max fits this clutch. Ang very nice. Very nice siya. My God, I love it. Oh my God, I love this, my dear. Thank you so much. And it comes, ano na ba ito aalisin? Yan. And it comes with a chain. Ayan, may chain siya. Ayan. Oh my God, thank you so much. I love it. I love this. Yeah. So, speaking of this kind of mga bags, so I got myself a Christmas gift. So, this is a gift. So, this is a gift from me. So, one of my favorite contemporary brands, Kate Spade. Actually, you already saw this also. So, yan. So, this is my popcorn bag. Oh my God. And I used this already during the Lustre Awards night and charity gala. Yeah. Oh my God. This is nice, diba? Kita mo yan. And it fits a lot. As it, well, you have to watch the reel. So, it's come with a strap. Yeah. And ganyan siya. And leather. This is leather and shimmering. So leather, this one. And this is pearls. So yeah. Ay, love this. So I think that's it, Pansit. So I think that's it, Pansit. And there's some incoming gifts, the pahabol gifts from my friends. But I told them, don't worry, reels na lang natin. Because I really need to shoot this what I got for Christmas. So it's overdue na nga, dapat to after Christmas. Yeah. So that's it. So thank you so much, my love is made Josephs. And hope you enjoy this kind of feature. And so sorry, I forgot to mention my former beauty ambassador from Jor Beauty, Gina. She's now with Chanel Beauty at Great Belt. Yeah, if you are a Chanel Beauty lover, so you better look for Gina at Chanel Beauty Greenbelt 5. And she gave me these ornaments. This one, as shown here. So, igagano pala yun. So, I thought ganun lang. Yung pala, you have to spread it. So, it's not as, snowflakes. So, it's like a spiral. An ornament. So, as seen here, yeah. So, thank you so much, Gina. So, yun. So, she's now with Chanel Beauty. And I have a surprise for you, my love is made Josephs. I'll be giving away 3 gifts from me. Yeah, for all your unwavering support and love to me and my channel. So, I got one already from Mango. It's pouch, and then perfume. I'll be giving away 2 perfumes from Zara. My two favorite perfumes, the Orchid and the Gardenia, and another one, the Red Temptation. And the major prize will be from Jor Beauty. Because I'm now a gold member of Jor Beauty here in the Philippines, I thought there is no kind of loyalty program here in the Philippines. And I just learned from Miss Jane, the manager of SM Aura. And Miss Jane told me to check my email because I'm already a gold member of Jor Beauty Philippines. I don't know if it's global. I don't know. So, I wasn't able to get the mirror with the mini lipstick. But, luckily, I got the full size $9.99 and nail polish. So, as seen here in one of my reels. So, I already posted it 2 days ago. Yeah. The one. Yeah. So, yeah. So, that's it. My love is made Josephs. So, if you come at this end, if you want to join this, you put this emoticon, the gift, and let me know what kind of videos you want me to share with you. If it's a luxury fashion, a shopping vlog, a lifestyle, my weekly vlogs, my daily or weekly vlogs, or more on reels. So, let me know. Or styling, fashion. So, yun. Kasi for this year, I'll be coming up with other segments. So, I'll be coming up with makeover and behind the scenes of fashion shows. Yeah. So, yun. But let me know what kind of videos you want me to share with you. My love is made Josephs. Okay. So, that's it, Pansit. My love is made Josephs. So, the giveaway will be open for the whole month, and I'll be announcing the winners on the first week of February. Yes. Okay? So, thank you so much again, my love is made Josephs, for your unwavering support and love to me and to my channel. Okay? Happy New Year! And see you soon in my next vlog. Bye-bye! Love you!